Hey guys, today we got an ARE CX commercial grade cap with a alley rack, ladder rack. Fits the 15 to 19 Chevy 2500 3500 8-foot bed, also the 14 to 18 1500 with the 8-foot bed. It's in pretty decent shape. It doesn't have a whole lot of issues on it. It's got a couple small, just a small nick right there. A couple small nicks so they've worked out of the back door there. Got a small scratch right there. Top looks good. Top edge looks nice. Couple chips right here from the working out of the door, more than likely. Another couple small nicks there in the paint. So mostly just from dragging tools in and out. There's a couple more there. Really not even bad. Solid panel. Wind door that is painted the same color as the truck. Double T handle. Has a toolbox on the inside, so you can put your tools in there. You can close it up then, lock it to keep your stuff secure and dry. Does have a sliding front window. Small paint chip right there. Couple small chips on the very top up here. Couple chips down here on the bottom edge, on the leading edge there. Bottom edge looks nice. Sliding window slides open so you can access the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap. Close it back up. Secure it like so. This side, the top edge looks nice. This side looks pretty good. Got a couple chips right there on the paint, right there, and another one underneath the T handle right there. Same thing on this side, probably just from working out of the door and dragging stuff in and out. Just small nicks, doesn't even matter. This panel is painted the same color as the truck on this side as well. Opens up into a toolbox on this side also. Same thing, you close the door up, secure that up, seal this stuff on there. The ladder rack is goes a little bit over the cab of the vehicle on this one here. It's a wider rack so you can haul ladders or drywall or what have you on top of this. It does have the roller option on this, so that allows you to roll the stuff up on there a little easier. This is a higher end rack. It's probably cost as much as the cap did when it was new. Couple scratches down through there on the back side. Couple scratches there on the top. Couple nicks there in the paint. Backside panel is also painted the same color. It does have a little bit of corrosion popping out here in a couple different spots. I'm guessing it's aluminum panel in there because of the way the corrosion acts. This one has a stainless T paddle handle in it. This one is keyed. This lock is keyed to the vehicle that it was on, so that'll have to be changed out. You'd have to get that one replaced from an ARE dealer. These are proprietary lock cylinders made by Bolt that have to be purchased from an ARE dealer. But the other side ones are keyed, standard key, and we have those attached to the cap. The LED lights on the side, no idea if they work. Probably do, but no idea if they do or not. Also LED on this side as well. Carpeted interior. Serial number. It was built specifically for a 15 Chevy 3500 crew cab with the 8-foot bed at MXX. Subterranean effect is the color. Brown. Here's the key for the side doors. So there it is. ARE MX series. Fits the 14 to 18, 1500 with the 8-foot bed, and then specifically the 15 to 19, 2500, 3500 Chevy GMC trucks with the 8-foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. You can purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, things like that, those can all be purchased online there as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck and you're kind of waiting for something to come in, subscribe below, and that'll keep you up to date on any product that comes in. We upload to YouTube and our website as soon as we get stuff in. Upload that right away, and you can kind of keep up to date on that as it comes in. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.